Like all cruise floor plans, the Cascade Cruise features both double corner benches up front and a grand corner seating area with a removable table on the aft port side. And yes, all furniture is made with durable Matrix 50 seat covering. But what makes the cruise floor plan so special are the two rear sundecks that can be used to house the privacy station, more storage, or both. Cascade Cruise comes with an awesome Fusion sound system and an ability to personalize everything from captain's chairs to biminis to power performance packages up to 400 horsepower. With Cascade Cruise, you'll be, like the song says, cruising on a Sunday afternoon every day of the year. Cascade highlight features include a fiberglass Ensign II helm stand with graywood dash, a gold stereo system featuring a high-power Fusion stereo with 4 speakers, a GPS speedometer, a premium interior with composite wall cladding, and 4000 series plush Matrix 50 furnishings.